Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my all lovely kids. So, children, it's a very beautiful morning. Yes. So, are you ready for today's class? Are you ready? Yes, very good. Okay, now say with me. I am ready. Yes, wonderful children. Once again, I am ready. Very good. So children, all of you done your breakfast? Very good. All my children are very good. Okay, so children, as all of you know that we are learning about beautiful birds. Yes, what we are learning, children? We are learning about beautiful birds. And children, all birds can fly in the sky? Yes? Yes. All birds have wings, beautiful wings. Here you can see crow, pigeon, parrot, peacock, hen, duck, sparrow, and all birds have wings. Yes, and with their wings they can fly in the sky. Yes. Okay. So children, now all of you know about the birds and birds' name? Yes? Yes, very good. Can you tell me, children, which bird is this? Yes, it's very colorful and very beautiful. Peacock. And children, it has a big beautiful tail. Yes. And this is green color. Parrot. Yes, it's a parrot. And which bird is, children? This is grey color pigeon. Yes, it's a grey color pigeon. And which bird is this? Yes, black color crow. Cow. It's a black color crow. And this is very cute. Sparrow, brown color sparrow. And this is duck. Yesterday we have colored in duck, children. Yes, yellow color. And all of you know now, duck can swim in the water. Yes. And this is, children, hen. Which bird is this? Hen. And children, hen gives us eggs. Yes. Okay, so children, you know, all of you know that all birds have beautiful wings, beautiful feathers. So today we will make a bird. Yes, with beautiful different paper colors, paper cutting. And children, you can make your bird very colorful and beautiful. So be ready. Today we will make a bird with paper, colorful papers. Take out your glue and some cutting as ma'am will show you. Okay, children. So today we will make a very colorful bird. We are learning about birds now. Yes. So children, here you can see I am having some cuttings, paper cuttings, colorful paper cuttings. Here you can see I have a semicircle. Okay, and what we have to do? We have to take, children, you can take any of color paper, your favorite colors. Okay, I am having here 2 brown color stripes And all of you know that all birds have 2 legs. So first of all, what we will do, we will paste legs here. Put some glue like this and paste these 2 brown color like this. Now you can see here, it will look like this. Okay, now I am having a small triangle, orange color triangle. You can take red, yellow, any. I am having a small triangle shape. For its beak, we will paste it here like this. Put some glue and paste this triangle here for its beak. Now here you can see I am having this type of cutting for its tail. All birds have tail, na children? So we will paste a tail also here. Paste a glue here and paste its tail like this. It will look like this. This is tail, 2 legs and its beak. Now we will paste some colorful feathers. Here you can see I am having some colorful stripes here. Okay, now we will paste these stripes from back side. Paste some glue like this and we will paste these stripes like this for colorful feathers. Like this. Some more papers. You can make your bird very colorful with colorful paper cuttings. So this much has done. Now we will keep it like this. And now children, all of you know that all birds have eyes. Yes? So we will take black color crayon and we will make a small circle for eyes. So this is our colorful bird. 2 legs, tail, feathers, beak and eyes. Now children, this is your turn. You have to make a very beautiful birds like this with some paper cuttings, triangle, stripes, semicircle. Okay. So children, now take some colorful papers and glue and make a beautiful bird like this. Okay. And we will meet again with new activity, new topic. Till then children, take care and bye-bye.